How to make money using Perplexity. Imagine having a tool that does all the heavy lifting for you, researching content creation and even automating tasks, so you can focus on what really matters, making money. With Perplexity.ea, this dream becomes a reality. Whether you are into affiliate marketing, blogging, or creating educational content, Perplexity is your secret weapon. Learn how to turn AI into a passive income machine today. So hi guys and welcome in this video where I will show you how you can earn money using Perplexity.ea. So first of all you have to do is open your web browser and dive into Perplexity.ea. So this is the homepage. As you can see, you have here various information and the various things that you should know it. But before that, let's know what is Perplexity. So Perplexity is a tool designed to provide users with answers and information by leveraging AI and data from the web. It functions similarly to a search engine but incorporates advanced AI capabilities to offer more refined and contextually relevant responses. So first, let's click on Try Pro to know if it's free or not. As you can see, we have your Perplexity. Perplexity Pro is the most powerful way to search the internet with unlimited pro search, upgraded AI models, unlimited file upload, image generation, and API credits. So as you can see, we have here the standard one and the professional one. So for the standard, we have start for free, no credit card needed, and it's free forever. Continue with free with unlimited quick searches, 5 pro searches per day. Standard Perplexity AI model optimized for speed and quality. Then you have create a profile to personalize your answers. And also here we have some settings like. So before that, let's know how to sign up. So all you have to do is dive into Perplexity.ea and you'll find a button, and then you click over sign up and you start by writing your email and then your password. And here you have your account in Perplexity, and this is my account. As you can see, you have also a profile, APA, enterprise, and here we have also you choose the language you want, system, also avatar, username, email address. Then we have EA data rotations, subscriptions, EA model, image generation, number system, have active account, sessions, tell account, and we have also here some help and give us feedback. And that's it. With that, let's come back to the home page. As you can see, we have here also you choose the one you want, for example, search across the internet. And here we have niche for writing. Then we have academic, video, math, social, and that's it. Then we have yourself the most important research, like city with the most Michelin stars, table of car brands by cost to maintain, the latest cocaine trends on TikTok, most popular YouTube creators in 2024, and let's just give an example. So for example, let's ask how to earn money on Perplexity. So as you can see, you have here how to earn money on Perplexity. You have the first thing is sources. So we have various sources. The first one is YouTube, then we have the YouTube Tolify, and you have also other 5 sources like Reddit, Perplexity, YouTube, Net Prompt, then we have here business plans, Tolify, YouTube also. You click over the one you want and then you start learning information. Then we have here search images, generate images also, and we have here videos showing that you can just click over the one you want and then you will know more about Perplexity. And then we have your answer. There are several ways to earn money using Perplexity AI, which is an AI-powered research assistant and conversational search engine. Here are the primary methods. We have the first one is freelancing opportunities like content creation and proofreading and editing, script writing for content creators. Then we have creating digital products like online courses, YouTube video. We have passive income streams like blogging, affiliate marketing, and I will show you all of these steps or how you can earn money using Perplexity more and deeply. So this method highlights the versatility of Perplexity AI in various content creation and freelancing opportunities, allowing users to leverage its capabilities for financial gain. Then we have here some related like what are the best ways to monetize Perplexity AI for beginners, can I use Perplexity to create content for 5? So you click over the one you want and then you learn more. And then you have other related. So you choose the one you want and then you learn information. If you come back to the home, I will show you how you can. So let's discover in here. We have discover, also we have library here, and we have your Drive Pro download. So it's very helpful and useful to use Perplexity because it speeds and efficiency with local processes and summarizes a large amount of data. It's also accurate information retrieval, enhanced research, user-friendly, accessible anytime and anywhere, versatility also, consistent quality with delivers reliable and high quality output. Then we have also tool integration, learning capability. So these benefits make it valuable tool for boosting productivity and efficiency. So right now I will give you how you can earn money using Perplexity. So the first one is content creation. So for example, you start a YouTube channel where you demonstrate how to use Perplexity to quickly find and summarize research papers, monetize through ads and sponsored videos. You could also start a blog where you share EA tool tutorials and use affiliate links to EA tools or related products to generate income. The second one, you have freelance work. For example, you offer a service on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr to write articles or conduct research using Perplexity. So, for instance, you could use Perplexity to quickly gather and synthesize information on a specific topic, providing high-quality content faster than traditional methods. Then we have the third one is consulting. So, as a consultant, for example, you help small businesses like integrate Perplexity into their workflows, and also you could advise marketing team to how you choose Perplexity to research competitors, stay updated on industry trends, or generate content ideas efficiently. Then we have the fourth one is teaching. So for example, create an online course on Udemy titled Master AI Tools for Efficient Research and Writing. In this course, you teach students how to use Perplexity for tasks like academic research, content creation, or data analysis. Charge a fee for the course and earn revenue based on enrollments. Then we have the fifth one, it's affiliate marketing. For example, you write a detailed blog post on the best AI tools for content creators, including Perplexity. Use affiliate links in the post, so when readers purchase or sign up for the tools through your links, you earn a commission. Promote this blog post through social media and email newsletter to drive traffic. Then we have the last one, it's automation services. So for example, you offer a service where you set up automated workflows using Perplexity for businesses. For example, create a system that automatically gathers and summarizes daily industry news for executives. Charge a setup fee and possibly a monthly maintenance fee for this service. So this is the sixth example, or let's say in the 6 steps how you can earn money on Perplexity. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.